Imagine living in a land of rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes, but with a catch. Understanding the truth behind the salaries and cost of living can be as complex as the history. Introduction to Israeli economy. Israel's economy is a blend of innovation and tradition. Known for its tech industry, it boasts a high GDP. However, the cost of living often overshadows salary benefits. Average salaries in Israel. In Israel, the average monthly salary is around 11,000 shekels. While it seems substantial, everyday expenses quickly bite into take-home pay, making budgeting essential. High-tech sector wages. The tech sector offers higher wages, sometimes double the national average. Yet, the allure of high pay is often tempered by the expensive urban lifestyle where most jobs are located. Cost of living overview. Israel is among the highest in living costs, with housing, food, and transport taking significant chunks of income. Understanding these expenses is crucial for financial planning. Housing expenses. Rent in major cities like Tel Aviv can exceed 5,000 shekels monthly. Many opt for smaller towns or shared housing to manage costs, impacting lifestyle and daily commuting. Grocery and food costs. Grocery prices are steep, with a typical family spending over 2,000 shekels monthly. Imported goods inflate costs further, prompting many to choose local products for savings. Transportation costs. Public transport is widely used, costing around 250 shekels monthly. Despite being efficient, many prefer cars, which adds significant fuel and maintenance costs to their budget. Healthcare and insurance. Israel's healthcare is excellent, with basic coverage included in taxes. However, additional insurance is common, adding around 500 shekels monthly to personal expenses. Education expenses. Public education is free, but private schools or after-school programs can add thousands to annual expenses. Many parents invest heavily in their children's education. Utility bills breakdown. Utilities, including water, electricity, and internet, average 1,000 shekels monthly. Energy-saving practices and bundled services help mitigate these recurring costs. Entertainment and leisure. Dining out and entertainment options are plentiful but pricey. A night out can easily exceed 300 shekels, often leading residents to opt for home gatherings or free activities. Impact of inflation. Inflation affects all aspects of life, with prices rising annually. Salaries often lag behind, making it challenging for families to adapt to the increasing cost of essentials. Government and economic policies. Government policies aim to balance economic growth with living costs. Initiatives for affordable housing and subsidies are in place, yet impacts are gradual and varied. Comparisons to other countries. Compared to countries with similar GDP, Israel's living costs are higher. Residents often feel the pinch, despite enjoying the benefits of a robust economy and innovation. Conclusion and future outlook. Understanding salaries and living costs is key to thriving in Israel. As the country continues to grow, balancing income with expenses will remain a critical challenge for residents.